Okay, so for this problem we have fractions. 4 plus x over 5, I'm just going to make sure you translated it correctly, minus x plus 3 over 3 is less than negative x over 15. Good. So you multiplied both sides by 15, which does look okay so far. Let's see here. The one thing I noticed when you multiplied by 15 is over here there was an x on the numerator, and then it became a 1. That probably threw off the rest of the problem. So let me jump in there, because otherwise your approach was just fine. So this line should have been, I'm going to go ahead, well, I won't, that's so thin, sorry. I want to make sure you get, oh, let me get another one. Is that one thicker? Nope. Okay, let me try that all over because it's not thick enough. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Let's see
so 3 times 4 plus x minus 5x minus 15. That should have been less than negative x. So then when you distribute 12 plus 3x minus 5x, let's see here. So when you have a negative multiplied by a positive, that should have also been a negative less than negative x. So that would have been negative 3 minus 2x is less than negative x. From here, you can add the 3 to both sides. Alright, so I'm going to add the 3, and then I'm also at the same time, I'm going to add the, I'm also going to add the x to both sides. So let me come down here where there's some more space. So let me see if I can make this thicker again. Okay, so you should have negative x is less than 3. So again, let's go back up here. The positive 12 goes with the negative 15. That's where I got negative 3. And then these two make negative 2x. Now I want the x on the right, on the left. So I'm going to add this x to this side, giving me a negative x. And then I'm going to add the 3 over here, giving me 3. And then my last step is to divide by negative 1, which you might not need to do depending on how you solve it. So we should get x is greater than negative 3. Which I believe, let me go back up here. Yeah, x is greater than negative 3. So again, the two things I noticed is that you lost your x from here to here. And then this negative that's in front of this x plus 3 has to be distributed. You wrote it correctly, but then you didn't distribute. So that's the other spot where I saw a mess up. Otherwise, you had the process correct.